Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to change from click once installation of the connector to XCOPY. Now click once is a Microsoft install and you get some benefits like it's a proper Windows installation, but the trouble is often it uses some files that if you're on Citrix or on a server you need admin access for, which is a bit annoying. We are going to make it better, but for the moment if you see, if you open your program folder, it's going to have a funny folder like that. That shows you that it's a click once installation, and your config file is going to be in a programdata redware research limited connector. In your system, there'll only be one file here. What we need to do is copy that redware.config file out from that data folder. And so what we're going to do is we're going to just create a new folder on the C drive. You can call yours redware. I'm going to call mine connector. And in there, just drop that redware.config because we're going to need it later. Then you can uninstall your connector if you just to avoid any confusion. So if you right click and uninstall, it just uninstalls in the normal Windows uninstall. If you type connector there, you can see it and you can uninstall it. That avoids any confusion later. So it's gone, but you've preserved that redware.config. If it's a fresh installation for you, we'll probably have sent you a little redware.config. Then you just need to download a zip file, and it does depend on the version of Sage that you're running. If you're running Sage, otherwise it's just it's just mscrm connector.zip there. So open that showing folder, grab it when it's finished there, and put it into your connector folder, and then unzip, and then drop your config file. Check the folder, drop the config file into that folder, and then instead of looking at that special folder, it's just going to take it out of there. Your application folder is this one, which has got a little red square on it. So what you can do, well, easiest way is just to fire it up like so, and you'll see here, basically your setup's set up now, and it's taking it from the program folder. If you just right click, pin to taskbar, or just create a shortcut from there, you've now got your XCOPY installation, and everything is running from that C connector folder, and you shouldn't get any problems on the server anymore. Okay, and if you need to upgrade, you just you just create a sister folder here, and you fish out that redware.config file and put it into the new folder you've created. And that's how you set up XCOPY installation on a server.